This video is brought to you by Best Buy. What's up guys, we are back with the latest Apple news. We've got some exciting iPhone 14 news and even the iPhone 15 rumors are on the scene, showcasing Apple's ultimate direction for the future. But before we talk about that, Apple has reclaimed the #1 position as the biggest smartphone brand from Samsung. Yes, according to the market research firm Canalys, Apple is now the biggest smartphone brand based on the Q4 of 2021 performance. Once again, the success is all because of the iPhone 13 series, which sold like hotcakes in pretty much all major markets. Even in China, where Apple is still the #1 brand for 6 consecutive weeks, beating out the biggest Chinese brands by a considerable margin. It's further mentioned that because of Apple's aggressive pricings, the sales have gone really good, which makes me kind of sad because Samsung is increasing the pricing for their Galaxy S22 series, which could now start at $900. And yes, it's a much better phone than a non-Pro iPhone 13, but still a cheaper price would have made the Galaxy S22 an absolute unbeatable monster. We'll see how things will change in a couple of days, but for now, Apple is the #1 brand and they're absolutely killing the game, just the right momentum they need for the upcoming iPhone 14 series launch. Now before we talk about the iPhone 14/iPhone 15 leaks, a massive shout out to Best Buy for sponsoring this video. Now if you're looking to buy electronics, Best Buy is the absolute ultimate place right now. Their top deals are finally live where you can get massive discounts on your favorite products such as smartphones, smart TVs, laptops, games, home appliances, cameras, lenses, fitness products, personal care, and much more. Some of my favorite deals on the website include the 65-inch 4K Sony OLED TV, which is $1,000 off right now, and it comes with 3 months of free Apple TV subscription. Another crazy deal is you can get $200 off on the newly released Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, which at this price is possibly the best Android phone you can pick up. Not just that, we also have massive discounts for the iPhone users. I recently picked up some games for the console and Best Buy got some sweet discounts on some of the most popular titles out there. There's also crazy discounts on range of different fitness products, including this treadmill by Nordic Track where you can get up to $900 off, which is just amazing. So what are you waiting for? Hit the link in the description to shop your favorite products at Best Buy using my special link in the description. Again, big thanks to Best Buy for making this video possible. Now recently we got the first look of the actual iPhone 14 Pro design from Ross Young, one of the most trusted sources out there. We've got dual punch hole design, a pill, and a hole. People have mixed opinion about this. It's for sure better than the notch that we have on the iPhone 13 series, but definitely nowhere near to the level of clean hole punch design that we have seen on other brands like Samsung. It seems like Apple wasn't able to fully adopt the underscreen Face ID design with the iPhone 14 series, which is why this is here, and according to Ross Young, both of these 2 punch holes will be completely visible. Now if you're someone who really doesn't like the look of the new iPhone 14 Pro's design, then you might want to wait for the iPhone 15 in 2023, which might possibly bring the first ever full screen design. According to Ross Young, the full underscreen Face ID might happen in 2023 or 2024. This is again in line with what we have already heard from Ming-Chi Kuo. But for now, this is coming with the iPhone 14 Pro series. Now speaking of iPhone 14 Pro series, the 120Hz refresh rate display will once again be exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro models, while the standard models will likely have a 60Hz refresh rate. In my opinion, buying a 60Hz refresh rate smartphone in 2022 sounds absolutely ridiculous. Now coming back to the iPhone 15 rumors, next year BOE could be responsible for the OLED panels of the iPhone 15 series, at least the non-Pro models. The reason why Apple is doing this is because they want to depend less and less on Samsung, plus BOE OLED panels will definitely be cheaper in price compared to Samsung's OLED offerings. Again, we'll see about that. Now last but not the least, according to Mark Gurman, this year we're gonna see the widest array of new devices from Apple. On top of having 5 iPhone releases, including 4 iPhone 14 series models as well as the iPhone SE 5G, we'll see a brand new iPad with M2 chip chip, redesigned iMac and Mac Pro with the latest chips. Overall, 2022 is looking to be Apple's biggest year, packed with so many products. Let me know what you think about the new iPhone 14 Pro design, and of course, Apple reclaiming their #1 spot from Samsung for now. Do you think Samsung will be able to take this away from them with their S22 series? Drop your thoughts in the comments. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.